In this video, we'll learn about isotopes. The isotope of an element has the same number of protons, so the same atomic number, Z, but different number of neutrons, so different mass number, A. For example, for lithium-7, we can get lithium-6, which has 3 neutrons, and lithium-8, which has 5 neutrons. So these 3 atoms are classified as isotopes of lithium because they all have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. In general, only 1 or 2 of an element's isotopes are stable. The other isotopes which are unstable tend to decay into other elements by emitting radiation, like alpha radiation, beta radiation, or gamma radiation, or sometimes they just emit neutrons. We call this process radioactive decay, which we'll be talking about in the next video.